Alright, here we go. First time doing this game, but it's been a while. It's been a while. And that was an accident hole-in-one. Whoops. Well, that's a hole-in-one. Oh no, there's one other person, but I don't think they're playing. I've been waiting for this guy to get in, but I think he's finally gonna do it. He might finally do it. Hey! He made it. Barely. What do you got? Where am I? 9th? Where's the hole? By the looks of it, this is probably your smartest choice. Oh, not enough. Come on. There we go. Oh, I was holding my breath right there. Let's see your best scores. 2. Where am I? 7th. Did better. First, I'll go with I want to hit hard, but not. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, you want to go in? Oh, I've never done this map. This is a new map I have not done. So, me not knowing that, I got pretty lucky. I guess you can watch back this video and see what you need to do. Alrighty. Where's the... Oh. It's pretty simple and... Wow. Me being on that, I already messed up. It would have been so crazy if I actually got that. Was it birdie? It would have been. Oop, that's a par. Some got a hole in one. They must know this map, but I don't. It's been a while. A while indeed. We're back. I don't even know where to aim. Wait, can I even turn my thing? Oh, okay, I can. Ooh. What? Such a good shot. It's an eagle. Destroying it. Yes, I don't know. Maybe destroying it? I accidentally got a hole in one on the first hole. And we're back. Where's the hole? Do I want to go up? Okay. Everyone just got launched back. I don't even... Oh. No! Oh my gosh. Coach me. Hit me! That's good. That's okay. That's fine. It's fine. This is fine. This is perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Chicken. Does AFK even work? But I do hate AFK in this golf. Because if everyone else finishes so there's no one else trying to go in, you just sit here with wasted time. Wasted. Oh. All the way up there. I guess it'd probably be best if I just hit it like that. Oh, that's a completely different thing. I thought it was just up. guess this is learning for anyone. Oh man. Just focusing. It's just been quite focusing. That's a 3rd place. Solid. I'll go with... Should I hit as hard as I can? No. Wait, what? Wait, what? How does this work? How does this work? Does it go... Is it under? Come on. Oh! That's what you want it to do. Par. It's not that bad. That's not that bad. Still 3rd place. 2 people got a hole in one. A lot of people actually didn't make it in. What if I hit it as hard as I can right in that corner? Oh, yeah. I'm a beast. Oh no. I have to get out of the way. Where's the hole? All the way over there? I'll go for our best option is to not do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, straight. Dang. Oops, Wait, there's a... Let's see. I hit the... There we go. There we go. Line it up. Line it up. Whee! Come on. No, you... That's definitely not 3rd place anymore. What? No, what? I got 12 on that, and I'm still in 3rd. Is everyone really doing that bad? 4th place one might get... Dang, everyone was doing that bad. Well, not the forest. Not one I'm familiar with. I could do just all these different maps, I guess. Try it a ton of different ones. What's hole? What's the hole? How hard? 75. So close. There's a debate going on between the first hole of which one's better. A 100 power. That's crazy. Oh no, I'm still going backwards. So just hit that wall right here. I hit it too. Should have hit it lighter. There we go. There we go. I should wait. Wait until they say what to hit and watch like them hit it. Like the first person. Look, the person in 1st place has 2 first places. I'm in 8th. Yuck. What's a fine tune? Oh, like we're talking small. How do I get rid of it? No. Please. I'm just gonna hit. I flew mine as far as I could. What? No, it even goes up slow. Oh no, how do I get rid of it? How do I get rid of it? No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna get mad, and then I'm gonna start throwing hard ones. New hole. Straight? How? What would you want to win? 100? That didn't even work! How do you get across? How? It's slanted. I didn't even realize it's slanted. If I realized it was... That's a pretty obvious way to get a hole in, too. That's a birdie. Okay. I need to remember this if we ever do this one again. To just do that and shoot there. No, not that way. You fool. Oh, wow. You know, the ride wasn't that bad, but I definitely could have done better if I realized that these are slanted. New hole, and this is a bad position. No. Boom. There it is. What? There's a portal? I'm learning this. Man. Do this again. Straight 18. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Anyone wondering? I'm back in a Roblox 7th place. I'm back. That's right. I went with... What? There's a hole there? Is that good or bad? I don't think it mattered. I just made it. I almost got a birdie! I'm sad now. I'm so sad now. No. Hole 7? Where is it?